Welcome back. Police have arrested 56 locals of Kuddegal Dabal for blocking the e-auction ore transportation on Wednesday. 4 trucks have been damaged by the locals and a driver has been assaulted. Locals are upset as they claim that the contractor employed workers from outside Goa in spite of absorbing locals. They have decided not to allow transportation of e-auction ore unless the issue is resolved. Mamladar of Dharbandada cleared that such an act by locals would be termed as illegal. They have been asked to submit a representation to the higher authorities.
कोणी फोडली तू सांगले ते आहे कोण आणि तू सांग पाहिजे नो आहे सांगली गाडी सांग पाहिजे नो ते कोणी फोडला किती फोडली गाडी कोणी फोडला आवा विटनेस अरे ड्रायव्हर मारला त्यांच्या कोणा नवा लढो तुम्ही ऐकून घेता होय एकले आधी फाटण सोडलं काम करा तुम्ही घ्या नो आम्ही इथलं क्वेश्चन हा फक्त काम करा आमलेदार उलवून गेला एसडीएम उलवून गेला बरे विषय टाइम दिले सगळे दिले तीच बोलेला ना धंदा तुम्ही जायचं त्यांची बाल पुढची तुम्ही गाडीवर फोडले तुम्ही कायदेशीर हे घेतले बोलले त्यांचं काम घेऊन तुम्ही ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू करा ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू करा कोण मामलेदार घेऊ कोण एसडीएम घेऊ कोण
Mamladar Satish Prabhu said that the e-auction ore transportation cannot be stopped by any individual as it is a government property.
तातून अशें कळून आयलें की ताणें सांगलें की आमचे हांगसरले जे कामगार काडिल्ले आसात तांकां घेयात आनी ते जर आयजच घेता जायत जाल्यार आमी आयज सुद्दां तें काम करपाक तयार आसात. अदरवायज आमकां घेनासतना परक्या ट्रान्सपोर्ट दिवन म्हाल व्हरले जायत जाल्यार हें आमचेर अन्याय आसा आमच्या पोटाचेर आड आयिल्ल्या भशेन आसा. कितें रिप्रेजेंटेशन आसल्यार तें दियात तशें आमी डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स किंवा हायर अथॉरिटी कडेन उलोवया आनी ताजेर बेटर सोल्युशन काडया म्हणून. पूण 12 पर्यंत तांचे ते एकच निर्णयाचेर ठाम आशिल्ले की आमी आमकां घेतले शिवाय आमी ओर काडून दिवचे ना जो हें आडोवप हें इल्लिगल. कित्याक सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डरच आसा की ई ऑक्शन ओर जो आसा तो कोणीच नो इंडिविज्युअल कॅन ब्लॉक ऑर म्हणजे रिस्ट्रिक्ट करूं शकनात.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Vasco police have so far failed to solve the mystery of the suspicious bullet that entered in a house at Kharivada, Vasco. Goa ATS has also joined the probe. Navy has denied holding any shooting exercise recently in that area, ruling out the possibility. The investigation team on Wednesday examined the hole in the roof due to penetration of the bullet. The seized bullet has been sent for a ballistic examination.
Vasco Police, Goa ATS and Special Branch inspected the hole made by the bullet on the roof of the house of Zuazino D'Souza at Kharivada. The bullet had penetrated into their drawing room, piercing the ceiling on Tuesday. The bullet has made a strong dent on the concrete wall. Investigating team is trying to establish the caliber of the weapon and grade of the bullet.
Source will come to know only when you know the calibration. So we will have to examine it through ballistic expert. After ballistic expert gives a report, then we'll know by which weapon it is fired. Till then, so far I cannot comment on the type of bullet.
According to sources, Navy has denied holding any shooting exercise recently in that area, ruling out the probability. A senior police officer connected with the investigation told Prudent that major roadblock in the investigation is to establish the source of that bullet. There is no ballistic expert in Goa. Hence, the bullet has been sent out of the state for ballistic examination, which will take some days. Prima facie, it looks like the bullet is of either AK series gun or a light machine gun. Once the source is established, possible distance range of firing can help to solve the case. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Crime Branch has contended before the Supreme Court that custodial interrogation of former CM Digambar Kamath is necessary to establish his role in Zyka bribery case. Pleading to cancel anticipatory bail granted to Digambar Kamath, Crime Branch contended that Digambar accepted bribe money of 1.2 crore rupees. Counsel for Digambar Kamath sought time to counter arguments and the Supreme Court adjourned the hearing for 3rd March.
The Supreme Court on Thursday partly heard the special leave petition filed by Goa Crime Branch challenging anticipatory bail granted to former CM Digambar Kamath in Zyka bribery case. Counsel for Crime Branch contended that Digambar Kamath accepted bribe money of 1.2 crore rupees from Louis Berger Company. Total 9 confessional statements of key witnesses and some co-accused have revealed that Digambar Kamath accepted bribe money. There is documentary evidence that Digambar Kamath interfered in JICA project for monetary gain. Custodial interrogation is required to unearth the location of Digambar's bribe money. Counsel for Digambar Kamath, Senior Advocate Kapil Sibbal, sought time to present his argument. Granting him time, the Apex Court adjourned the hearing for 3rd March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.